Hi guys, welcome back. Samsung recently unveiled the Galaxy A70 and Galaxy A80 smartphone. Today Samsung China launched a total of 4 smartphone A series smartphone. Samsung Galaxy A80, Galaxy A70, Galaxy A60 and Galaxy A40s. While we already complete detail of Galaxy A80 and Galaxy A70, we are seeing the Galaxy A60 and A40s for the very first time. The Galaxy A60 looks same as the Galaxy A8s launched last year in China, but comes with better internal. On the other hand, the Galaxy A40s is exactly the same Galaxy M30 which is available in India. We don't think the company will be introduced the Galaxy M lineup in China. In India, Samsung is selling its budget smartphone under Galaxy A series and Galaxy M series. Talking about the Galaxy A40s, it's come with 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with Infinity U display with Full HD plus resolution. Under the hood is the 14nm Exynos 7904 octa-core processor with Mali G71 GPU. And come to camera, it's come with triple camera setup on the rear, 13MP with aperture 1.9, 5MP ultra wide angle sensor with 2.2 aperture and a 5MP depth camera with aperture 2.2. On the front there is a 16MP selfie camera with aperture 2.0. Coming to the battery, it's come with 5000 mAh battery and 15W fast charging with USB Type-C port. Coming to the Galaxy A60, it's come with 6.3-inch punch-hole display with Full HD plus resolution and a 91.8% screen-to-body ratio. Compared to the Galaxy A8s, the diameter of hole on Galaxy A60 is small, while the Honor View 20 has a 4.8mm diameter. The hole of Galaxy A60 Infinity O display measures just 4.69mm in diameter. This smartphone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 processor with Kairos 460 CPU and Adreno 612 GPU. It's come with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. Coming to the camera, the Galaxy A60 comes with triple camera setup. On the rear there is a 32MP primary sensor with aperture 1.7. There is a 8MP 2.2 aperture with ultra wide angle sensor, and there is a 5MP depth sensor with aperture 2.2. This is exactly the same setup that is found on the Galaxy A70. The selfie camera on this smartphone is also same 32MP shorter with just like the A70. The battery is smaller, thought a 3500 mAh battery. It does have a USB Type-C. While the Galaxy A80 and Galaxy A70 come with in-display fingerprint sensor, the new Galaxy A60 and Galaxy A40s come with rear-facing fingerprint sensor. Coming to the price, the Galaxy A60 and Galaxy A40s are priced as Chinese yuan 1999 Chinese yuan, that's around $300, and Galaxy A40s had come with 1499 yuan, that's around $230. That's all guys. If you like this video, press the like button. Let me know your thought in the comment section. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.